Sometimes you might have a paragraph or a section of your web page that is quoted from another place. Now, you can use the block quote to signify that. We have our text here, but before doing anything, let us divide this into 2 paragraphs so that it's more pleasing to the eye. So I will put the first batch in the paragraph and then the second in the paragraph. And this looks better. So the next thing is to signify that this is a block quote. Now, when you make this a block quote, it will give it an indentation. So there isn't anything spectacular about how it will change the look. It will basically just render it as an indented paragraph. This is to indicate that is a quote. So voila, that is what we have here. We have an indented paragraph because we have surrounded this with a block quote. Another thing that can be done is using an attribute called Cite. So the Cite attribute is used to include the URL that will point to the source of the quote. Actually, that attribute doesn't really do much for the web browser. The person reading the page on the browser can't really see this link. So if you actually want the link available to the person, you might have to use other methods of showing the person the actual link. But for the attribute Cite, you can just include that there, but make sure you know that the user wouldn't see that. There is another type of quotation called inline. So let's say you want to group this last sentence as a quote. Inline quotations will actually put a double quotation around whatever is within it. The element for inline quotation is Q. What this will do on the web page is to surround this text with a double quotation. And that is how you work with inline quotations. And just like block quotations, you can also include the Cite attributes in the inline quotation. But before doing that, let us look at how it looks on the web. If you notice, you will notice that it has a double quotation around it. And like I said, just like block quotation, you can add the Cite attribute. So this is how you deal with quotations in HTML. Go try it out and have fun.